What is routing? Routing is a concept to implement the navigation based on user selection. For example, I'll click on a menu. So if you see underscore layout.cs HTML, we have menus. If you click privacy, it go to this controller. In home controller, this action it has to go. That navigation, so nav item. Okay, so that is called navigation, nothing but routing. So where we are defining the routing, if you see program.cs file, so when any exception occur, so where we are going home error page, home controller and error page if there is any exception occurred. So this is the route, app controller route, name default route. Why we have a name like this default? By default it has like this. If you want more than one, you can add those routes as well. Okay, so and what is the pattern? Controller name, action name, and then URL. So this is called routing. So in the browser URL, when you want to type, for example, home index ID 1, it will go to that particular action. So first should be controller / action / this is what is this question mark? Parameters are optional. If parameters are there, you will give, or else you no need to give. So this is nothing but the routing. So now once this routing is done, so what are the different types of routings we have? We have two types of routings. What is that? Types of routing: conventional routing, and second one is attribute routing. So these are all the two types of routing techniques we have in MVC. So what is this conventional routing? How it will work? As we have seen, okay, for example, I'll go to my home controller. Once you run this home index like that, it will come URL. I'll click on about us. What is home about us? Right? Home is the action, about is the controller. For example, I click on contact us. Home contact us. Okay. So every time the URL, base URL, if you copy this, you will come to know the full URL. Okay. It will starts with HTTP. Yes. What is S stands for secure. So there are two things. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. So in this protocol, this is HTTP normal protocol. HTTPS stands for security. So this is your base URL. After that, your controller name and then action name. So this is how, this is your normal routing. So for example, I don't want contact us. Okay. So what I want different. So I'll go to my home controller. I don't want about us. I want different name. So for that, what you need to give, we need to do the route.